Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box. I think this is for June, July, I'm not quite sure. I don't know if it says it on here. Warm wishes. And this, they normally have some kind of activity in here, so you can cut this out and fold it and make it into a bookmark. A little page saver, which is really cute. And the box did feel very heavy this month. This is just one of those frozen gel packs that they put in there because it's summertime. The bars should be in here. Just dump them in there. So the first bar is Here Comes the Sunflowers. Let's see what that smells like. Yeah, it's got a little bit of like a perfume scent to it, but it does definitely kind of smell summery. And this one is Pina Colada Cha. I bet I'll like that one. Oh yeah, it smells just like a pina colada. I like the real sweet and fruity scented ones. And then there's one sample cup. This one is called Rise and Shine, and I love getting these. Well, that's interesting. Can't quite place it. Kind of smells a little bit like citrus, like oranges, but then it has like some other spice to it. And then we got some Scentsy Soak, aloe water and cucumber. Cucumber peel, pineapple nectar. This is a really big bag. You pour some under warm running water and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Very cool. Also have some counter clean. I feel like they give this a lot. I feel like this is the third time I've gotten it. I know I've gotten a couple counter cleans and like one that looked like same bottle, but it was like a fabric spray. And this is Sunkist Citrus, which smells really good. So, got a Welcome Summer scent circle for your car, or you could even hang them in the closet. And then two little samples of Luna. One is Laundry Liquid and the other is Scent Soft. Very cool. I like this subscription because it's fun and you get to try different scents and little samples. So yeah, I will put all the information below in case you want to join. I'll link the girls' website that I sign up through. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.